The 2012 Lamborghini Aventador LP700-4 by Novitec Torado. Novitec just added a new sub-brand to its lineup, which will specialize in updating Lamborghini models. The new Novitec Torado brand offers aerodynamic packages made in carbon fiber and updates under the hood to help boost the power output of various Raging Bulls. To no surprise, the very first model that caught its attention is the Aventador LP700-4. For the Aventador, the tuner offers a new body kit that it has optimized in the wind tunnel. It is made in carbon fiber and helps deliver improved aerodynamics and offers a more aggressive look for the Aventador. For the interior, Novitec also offers lots of carbon fiber elements to help set it apart from others. Most of the work that Novitec has put into the Aventador directly impact the supercar's performance figures. For this, the tuner installed an upgraded engine management software and installed a high-quality stainless steel exhaust system made. For a little extra cash, you can pick up the lightweight exhaust system made from Inconel, a nickel, chromium and iron alloy typically reserved for gas turbine blades. Click past the jump to read more about the Lamborghini Aventador LP700-4 by Novitec Torado. Lamborghini Aventador LP700-4 by Novitec Torado in detail. The aerodynamic package includes a new rear wing, larger air intakes and a new splitter. The Aventador sits on a set of 20 and 21-inch wheels wrapped in high-performance Pirelli P0 tires sized 255/30 ZR20 up front and 355/25 ZR21 at the rear. There is also a new suspension system with sport springs that lower the car's ride by 30 mm (1.18 inches). Thanks to the updated ECU and the new exhaust system, the engine's output was increased from the base 700 up to 748 horsepower. The car is also about 57 pounds lighter, so the performance figures will also be improved, we just don't know them at this point. For the interior, the cockpit received lots of carbon fiber elements and there is also a new Zwisters Revox sound system.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.